Many organizations still manage maintenance through phone calls, spreadsheets, and paper records. As the number of assets grows, this approach quickly becomes difficult to manage. Scheduled maintenance gets delayed, breakdowns happen more often, and repair costs start increasing. This is exactly the challenge that CMMS software solves. What is CMMS? A computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS software, brings all maintenance activities into one organized platform. It allows businesses to track assets, schedule maintenance, manage technicians, and control spare parts inventory, all in one place. Instead of waiting for equipment to fail, maintenance teams can plan service activities ahead of time and keep assets running smoothly. How CMMS works. A CMMS gives managers complete visibility into every asset. You can instantly see maintenance history, past breakdowns, upcoming service schedules, and the parts used for repairs. CMMS lets you generate maintenance work requests to report a breakdown or request a service. These work requests become work orders that are assigned to technicians and tracked until the job is complete. Preventive maintenance can also be scheduled in advance, and when service is due, the system automatically sends alerts, so nothing important ever gets missed. Why businesses implement CMMS? When maintenance is managed systematically, the improvements are easy to see. Equipment lasts longer, maintenance tasks are completed faster, and repair costs stay under control. More importantly, businesses gain confidence that their assets are being maintained properly. One powerful platform that brings all of this together is DimoMaint MX. DimoMaint MX brings together work orders, maintenance schedules, and asset information from all your locations into one system. Managers and technicians can access everything they require through the DimoMaint mobile app or web browser. DimoMaint MX makes it easy to organize complex asset environments. Assets can be arranged in a flexible tree structure, from multiple sites to individual equipment. Technicians in the field can simply scan a QR code on the equipment. Within seconds, they can access the full maintenance history of that asset directly on their phone. DimoMaint MX automatically generates work orders for preventive maintenance and sends necessary alerts so that your teams can plan ahead without missing critical service tasks. Detailed reports and custom metrics give managers a clear view of maintenance performance across their assets. DimoMaint's specialized business intelligence module, MX Analytics, uses Power BI to visualize KPIs, identify sources of failure, and help optimize maintenance strategies. DimoMaint MX, your complete solution for asset maintenance. Unlock the full potential of every asset you rely on. Connect with us.